So here we've got Charlie. And Charlie was doing his super duper rollover, lying on his back. So he's probably not that chuffed that we're going to take him for a bath. But we're going to de-wee-wee you now, mate, aren't we? What do you think to that? Yeah, whatever. Okay, here we go. A nice warm sink for you. Ready? Good boy. Oh, hello. What do you think to that? Good boy. You've got your nose in as well, darling. Good boy. Good boy. There we go. We'll just keep your hand out a bit. Everybody seems to want to put their nose in it. And just a tiny dribble of shampoo. There we are. Just going to get that smelly wee off. And we were saying it could be Mum's stinky tongue as well. Doesn't really help, does it? Because Mum's got the breath of Beelzebub. There. What do you think to that? You've been a good boy, haven't you? Yeah. Good lad. Wow, he's chill. Good boy.
He's enjoying the warmth.
He is. So no cryo bath for these pups yet then?
Good boy.
Now look out, because the sink monster's going to come in any second. I'll just move this along a bit. There we go. Nice, good. Oh, we got you. We got you. That's it. All done. All done. Okay, Charlie boy, it's all right. Now, here comes the towel. All right. All right. Yes. Let's get a towel around you. There you go. See, get you snuggled up again. It's all good when you're in the towel, isn't it? Hey, Charlie.
It's a good boy.